Hello, Indians. Dreaming of adventures beyond our borders? You're in for a treat. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 countries where Indians are most welcome in 2024, these countries rolling out the red carpet for Indians in 2024. From job opportunities to cultural acceptance, we've got the inside scoop on where you'll feel most welcome. So whether you're a tech whiz, a curious student, or just looking for a change, stick around. Your next home away from home might be just a plane ride away. Number 10. South Africa. Known for its diverse landscapes and vibrant culture, South Africa is becoming an increasingly popular destination for Indians. In 2023, over 1,000 Indians were granted visas to South Africa. With a thriving Indian community of about 1.4 million, you'll find familiar faces and flavors everywhere. From the bustling streets of Johannesburg to the stunning beaches of Cape Town, South Africa offers a unique blend of opportunities and adventures. The country's economy is diverse, with strong sectors in mining, finance, and technology. Many Indian professionals find success in these fields, contributing their skills to South Africa's growing economy. The cost of living is relatively lower compared to many Western countries, allowing for a comfortable lifestyle. South Africa's universities are also gaining popularity among Indian students. Institutions like the University of Cape Town and the University of the Witwatersrand offer world-class education at more affordable rates than many Western countries. Plus, the chance to study in English while experiencing Africa's rich culture is an opportunity many find irresistible. Number 9. United Arab Emirates. With its ultra-modern cities and tax-free salaries, it's no surprise that over 3 million Indians call the UAE home. The UAE, particularly Dubai and Abu Dhabi, offers a lifestyle that many Indians aspire to. From the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, to the man-made Palm Islands, the UAE is a testament to human ambition, something we Indians certainly appreciate. Job opportunities abound in sectors like construction, finance, healthcare, and hospitality. Many Indian professionals find that their skills are highly valued here, often leading to rapid career advancement. The absence of income tax is an added bonus, allowing you to make the most of your earnings. But it's not all work and no play in the UAE. The country hosts numerous cultural events throughout the year, including a spectacular Diwali celebration that'll make you feel right at home. And let's not forget the shopping. From traditional souks to enormous malls, the UAE is a shopper's paradise. Number 8. Norway. In 2023, this Scandinavian gem welcomed over 2,000 Indians, a number that's steadily growing. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't it too cold? But trust me, Norway's warm hospitality more than makes up for its cool climate. With its stunning natural beauty, high standard of living, and excellent work-life balance, Norway is becoming a hotspot for Indian professionals seeking a change of pace. The job market in Norway is strong, particularly in sectors like engineering and healthcare. The country's focus on renewable energy and sustainability also opens up exciting opportunities for Indians with expertise in these fields. And here's a bonus: many Norwegian companies use English as their working language, easing the transition for Indian professionals. Education is another big draw. Norwegian public universities offer tuition-free education, even to international students. Imagine studying in a world-class institution, surrounded by breathtaking nature, without worrying about hefty tuition fees. Number 7. Germany, the powerhouse of Europe. In 2023, over 15,000 visas were issued to Indian professionals, proving that Germany is more than just great beer and sausages. Germany's strong economy, particularly in sectors like automotive, engineering, and makes it a land of opportunity for skilled Indians. Cities like Berlin have also become hubs for startups, attracting many Indian entrepreneurs and tech professionals. One of the biggest draws of Germany is its excellent education system. Many universities offer English-taught programs, and the best part, most public universities have no or very low tuition fees, even for international students. It's a chance to get a world-class education without breaking the bank. Life in Germany offers a perfect blend of history and modernity. From the hip streets of Berlin to the traditional Christmas markets of Munich, there's always something to explore. And despite the stereotype, Germans are quite friendly, especially towards hard-working professionals like us Indians. Number 6. New Zealand, the land of the Kiwis. In 2023, this picturesque country granted over 5,000 permanent residency visas to Indians. New Zealand's breathtaking landscapes might remind you of Bollywood movie scenes, but it's the quality of life that's the real star here. With its clean environment, excellent healthcare, and world-class education system, New Zealand offers a lifestyle that many Indians dream of. The job market in New Zealand is robust, with opportunities in agriculture, healthcare, and engineering. The country actively seeks skilled migrants to contribute to its economy, and many Indians find that their qualifications and experience are highly valued here. For those considering studying abroad, New Zealand's education system is top-notch. The country's universities are all ranked in the top 3% globally, offering quality education in a safe, welcoming environment. Plus, post-study work visas make it easier for Indian students to gain valuable work experience after graduation. Number 5. United Kingdom, land of Big Ben, red buses and afternoon tea. The UK continues to be a favorite destination for Indians, especially students and professionals. In 2023, over 50,000 Indian students were enrolled in UK universities. From the hallowed halls of Oxford and Cambridge to the innovative programs at institutions like Imperial College London, the UK offers world-class education opportunities. The recent reintroduction of the 2-year post-study work visa has made the UK even more attractive for Indian students. Career opportunities in the UK are plentiful, especially in fields like finance, healthcare, and technology. Cities like London are global hubs for innovation and business, offering exciting prospects for skilled Indian professionals. The UK's rich history and modern multiculturalism create a unique living experience. You can explore centuries-old castles one day and enjoy a Bollywood movie in a Leicester Square cinema the next. With a 1.5 million strong Indian community, you'll find a bit of home in every corner of the UK. Number 4. Singapore, the Lion City. This small but mighty nation granted around 10,000 employment passes to Indians in 2023. Singapore's reputation as a global financial hub and its strategic location make it an attractive destination for Indian professionals. The city-state's strong economy, political stability, and excellent infrastructure provide a solid foundation for career growth. Education is another big draw. Singapore's universities, such as the National University of Singapore and Nanyang Technological University, are ranked among the best in the world. Many Indian parents choose Singapore for their children's education, attracted by the high academic standards and safe environment. Life in Singapore is a unique blend of cultures. From the futuristic gardens by the bay to the bustling streets of Little India, you'll find a harmonious mix of tradition and modernity. The city's efficient public transportation, low crime rate, and high standard of living make it a comfortable place to call home. Number 3. Australia. In 2023, Australia welcomed over 30,000 Indians as permanent residents. Australia's appeal lies in its combination of economic opportunities and enviable lifestyle. From the iconic Sydney Opera House to the vast outback, from the Great Barrier Reef to the cosmopolitan streets of Melbourne, Australia offers experiences that are hard to match. The job market in Australia is strong, particularly in sectors like healthcare, engineering, and education. The country's points-based immigration system favors skilled workers, making it an attractive option for qualified Indian professionals. For students, Australia offers world-class education with the added benefit of stunning campuses and advanced research opportunities. Many Australian universities rank among the top 100 globally, providing quality education across various fields. Number 2. United States of America, the land of opportunity and rich life. The USA continues to be a top destination for Indians, especially in tech and higher education. In 2023, Indians received a whopping 75% of all H-1 billion visas issued. From the innovation hub of Silicon Valley to the financial districts of New York, the USA offers endless opportunities for those willing to chase the American dream. The USA's world-renowned universities attract thousands of Indian students each year. Institutions like MIT, Stanford, and Harvard offer cutting-edge programs and research opportunities that are hard to match elsewhere. Life in the USA is diverse and dynamic. With a population of over 4.5 million Indian Americans, you'll find vibrant Indian communities across the country. From Diwali celebrations in Times Square to Indian grocery stores in small Midwestern towns, a piece of India is never too far away. Number 1. Canada, the Great White North takes the top spot as the most welcoming country for Indians in 2024. In 2023, Canada welcomed over 100,000 Indians as permanent residents. The country's friendly immigration policies, particularly the Express Entry Program and Provincial Nominee Program, make it easier than ever for skilled Indians to make Canada their home. Job opportunities in Canada are plentiful, especially in sectors like healthcare and engineering. Cities like Toronto and Vancouver have become major tech hubs, attracting many Indian professionals. The country's focus on innovation and research also opens up exciting opportunities in emerging fields. Canada's excellent healthcare system and high standard of living are major draws for many Indians. The country consistently ranks among the best in the world for quality of life, offering a perfect balance of career opportunities and personal well-being. There you have it. These are top countries rolling out the welcome mat for Indians in 2024. From the snowy peaks of Canada to the sunny beaches of Australia, the world is full of opportunities for those willing to take the leap. Remember, moving abroad is a big decision, and it's important to do your research and choose the country that best fits your goals and lifestyle. Consider factors like job prospects, education opportunities, cost of living, and cultural adjustment. But no matter where you end up, one thing's for sure: you'll be carrying a little bit of India with you, spreading our vibrant culture across the globe. After all, we Indians have a knack for making any place feel like home, don't we? So, are you ready to pack your bags and start your own international adventure? The world is waiting for you. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.